Hey peeps and Ganguza, just wanted to give you a sample of video on my iPhone, of course, but what it sounds like in my environment right now in my rental place. It is pretty high ceilings here. I'm up on the second floor, but we have some 16-foot ceilings. I'm like in a loft area looking down, and you can hear even as I travel a little bit down the stairs here, make sure I don't fall, just how echoey it is. And so I'm gonna be upstairs in this area, right around here doing some recording, and I wanted to let you know what it sounded like once I go into the tri-booth. So let me just go into the tri-booth now without falling over my cat. You can see it's nice and bright here in the tri-booth. They have a great lighting that I can dim. Oh, here we go. Yeah. I can dim and make as bright as I want, but you can also hear the difference in the sound. It's pretty amazing. When I first, pressed record on my laptop, which is sitting outside of the booth, my noise floor was like a minus 74 dB. So I was pretty impressed with that. So I'm looking forward to really hearing this in my studio headphones.